Hello students, this is your Borsha ma'am and today we will learn another lesson on chapter 2. Today we will continue the next part of our lesson, nutrition in animals and humans. As all of you know that in previous lesson we discussed about the nutrition and the various steps that involve the nutrition process, and we also discuss about the basic information of human teeth, how many types of teeth and what are their numbers, right? So in this lesson we will discuss about the structure of our teeth and also the care for teeth. Okay. First of all, we will learn about the structure of our tooth. As we know that teeth are fixed into our gums. আমাদের দাঁতগুলো কিন্তু আমাদের মুখের মাড়ির মধ্যে ফিক্স করা থাকে. Every teeth has some following parts. Okay. First of all, we can divide the teeth into three main parts. One is the crown, next is the neck, and third one is the root. So three main parts. First of all, crown. It is the top part of the teeth that can be seen from the outside. বাইরে থেকে দাঁতের যে অংশটা দেখা যায়, that is called crown. It is the top part of the teeth. Next part is the neck. This portion is called the neck portion, okay, where the teeth is inside the gum. দাঁতটা যেখানে গামের মধ্যে ঢুকছে সেই পার্টটা, that means the part where the teeth is inside the gum. And the next part is the root part, which is the under part of the teeth and it is situated into the gum. এটা কিন্তু বাইরে থেকে দেখা যায় না, we cannot see this part from the outside. It is inside our gum or it is embedded into the jaw. So there are three main parts of teeth. What are they? First of all, crown, which is the top part. Second, the neck. This is the part between the root and the crown, যেখানে দাঁতটা মাড়ির মধ্যে ঢুকছে. And the third one, it is the below part, underneath or part which is embedded into the jaw. So এটা গেল structural দিক থেকে. Now the teeth also internally made up of three types. তিনটে লেয়ার দিয়ে কিন্তু টিথটা তৈরি. ইন্টারনাল স্ট্রাকচারের দিকে যদি যাই, if we discuss about the internal structure, we can see that there are also three parts. Okay, what are they? First of all is the enamel, second the dentine, and third the pulp. Now what is it? Normally the white part of the tooth is called the enamel, যেটাকে আমরা বলতে পারি it is the covering of the crown. ক্রাউনের যেটা কভারিং হয়, that is called the enamel. So you can see that this white part is called the enamel part. It is also the hardest substance in our body. আমাদের শরীরে যতগুলো হার্ড সাবস্টেন্স আছে, among them it is the hardest substance. It is deposited outside the crown of the tooth, as I have told you that it is the covering of the crown. Enamel contains calcium salt. It is made up of calcium salt দিয়ে কিন্তু এটা তৈরি. So it is the first covering, the whitish part of tooth and the hardest substance. Now going to the next part, it is the dentine. Dentine is the under part of the enamel. This is part is the dentine. It is yellow in color. it is like a bone structure. Okay, it is yellow in color. Enamel এর ঠিক নিচেই যে পার্টটা রয়েছে, that is the dentine part, it is yellow in color. It is not as hard as the enamel, it is less harder than enamel. And the third part or the most inside part is the pulp. It is the most soft part of the teeth. দাঁতের সবচেয়ে সফট পার্ট কিন্তু এটা. It contains the blood vessels and nerves. এটার মধ্যে কি থাকে দেখো, look at here, it contains the blood vessels and the nerves. That's why as it contains the blood vessels and the nerves, so when the tooth has some problem we feel the pain, and when our tooth is uprooted we can see the blood. Okay, দাঁত যখন আমাদের পড়ে যায় দেখবে মাড়ি থেকে রক্ত বেরোয়, বা যখন আমাদের দাঁতে বিভিন্ন কারণে মানে কোনো সমস্যা তৈরি হয় আমরা পেন ফিল করি। এটার কারণ কিন্তু ওই একটাই যে ইট হ্যাজ ব্লাড ভেসেলস অ্যান্ড নার্ভস। যদি এই দুটো না থাকতো আমাদের ব্লাডও বেরোতো না বা আমরা পেনও ফিল করতাম না। So these are the three covering by internal structure of teeth. Teeth are a very important part of our body, so we have to take a proper care of our teeth. This care of the teeth is called oral hygiene. Healthy teeth are white and healthy gums are pink. Normally healthy teeth are white in color and healthy gums are pink in color. But if we do not take proper care of our teeth, they become yellowish. Okay, how is this possible? Due to the formation of a sticky layer that contains food particles, saliva and bacteria. This is called plaque. So what is plaque? A yellowish layer that covers our teeth and which contains food particles, saliva and bacteria are called plaque. Okay, যদি আমরা প্রপার দাঁতের কেয়ার না নিই দাঁতের উপর একটা হলুদ লেয়ার তৈরি হয়, that is called the plaque. Plaque absorb sugary and starchy food material. Normally sugar and starch এই দুটোর প্রতি ওদের অ্যাফেকশনটা থাকে, so they absorb this type of material more, and by absorbing this type of material the bacteria in the plaque convert them into acid. Okay, এই সুগার বা স্টার্চ যেটা ওরা অ্যাবজর্ব করছে আমাদের প্লেক যখন দাঁতের উপর তৈরি হয় তখন তার মধ্যে অনেক ব্যাকটেরিয়া জন্মায়। These bacteria convert them into acid, and as you know that acid dissolves everything, so obviously acid dissolve the tooth enamel, and this formation deep holes into our teeth, দাঁতের মধ্যে গর্ত তৈরি হয়, that are called cavities. Okay, তাহলে কি হচ্ছে যদি আমরা প্রপার কেয়ার না নিই our teeth builds the plaque and the bacteria start growing in that plaque which absorbs more and more sugary and starchy food and convert them into acids. These acids dissolve the enamel of tooth and form the cavities, and when these cavities go worse situation our teeth may be fall off, আমাদের দাঁত কিন্তু পড়ে যেতে পারে এবং obviously there is a huge pain, দাঁতে ব্যথাও হয়। So to get rid of all this bad situation we have to take a proper care of our teeth and gums. What should we do? We have to brush our teeth normally twice a day, in morning and before going to bed. সকালে একবার রাতে একবার দুবেলা আমাদের ব্রাশ করা উচিত। We have to wash our mouth thoroughly with ওয়াটার আফটার এভরি ইটিং, প্রত্যেকবার খাওয়ার পরে ভালো করে মুখ ধোয়া উচিত। অলসো অ্যাভয়েড, উই হ্যাভ টু অ্যাভয়েড এক্সেসিভ সুইটস, chocolates, toffees, ice cream. We have to check our teeth once in a month to the dentist. ডেন্টিস্টের কাছে চেকিং করানো উচিত। অলসো we have to eat self-cleaning foods such as raw vegetables, fruits, স্পেসিফিক্যালি সিট্রাস ফ্রুট, লেবু জাতীয় ফল কিন্তু বেশি পরিমাণে খাওয়া উচিত। দিস প্রিকশনস হ্যাভ টু টেক ফর মেনটেনিং আ গুড teeth or a good oral hygiene. So this was our today's lesson where we have learned about the structure of teeth and basically the care of teeth, or which is called the oral hygiene. So teeth has the three part: root, crown and neck, and if we can see from internally, it also is made up of three part: enamel, dentine and pulp cavity. The enamel is the hardest part of our body and the pulp cavity is the softest part of the teeth. Then we have learnt about the care of teeth. For a healthy teeth and a healthy gum, we need some proper care. What are they? We have to brush properly, we have to wash our mouth, we avoid eating the sugary foods. So these are our today's lesson.